Property and facility management is ever-changing, and cleaning is more important now than ever before. Managers must be able to prepare for the unexpected, ensure a safe and hygienic environment for staff and guests, and constantly administer efficient use of resources. How can we stay ahead of this ever-changing unpredictability and increased expectation of hygiene standards? Tork Vision Cleaning uses real-time data that empowers teams to work smarter by knowing exactly where and when there are urgent needs. The system uses sensors that monitor visitor traffic as well as consumption levels for soap, sanitizer, paper hand towels, toilet paper, and digital cleaning software for your staff to unleash the power of real-time data and clean smarter, not harder. Reducing unnecessary dispenser checks and streamlining cleaning plans helps use time more effectively by reallocating staff to the highest touch points to create a safe environment and peace of mind. All your data is stored in a secure cloud and transferred to a centralized software platform accessible in real time. This provides visibility to analytics that drive more strategic staffing and inventory. It's designed to drive better management of your facility and keep you thinking ahead. Tork Vision Cleaning empowers you to eliminate the guesswork, stay prepared, and solve issues before they arise. Use data to work smarter, not harder, so you can meet increased hygiene expectations.